Shout out to Twitch and Dutch Synths and whoever's doing science and technology videos on Twitch. Cheers. Twitch.tv/smAsho. Let's make our channel be the ultimate science channel on Twitch. We're going to start to make a point of it, putting up more and more content on Twitch because it's such a great live streaming platform. Thanks to our Twitch followers. Tell your friends and foes about us and host our channel, especially if you're a big channel that follows us, because we really need your assistance. We need the assistance of every channel that views our content because we're tanking over here. Anyway, are you able to forecast your own weather? Well, we're able to forecast your weather for us, so if you've got requests, let us know. We'll hook you up. Here are the surface winds of the Western world. And it's all about understanding the physics, folks. If you understand the physics, you'll be able to forecast your own weather. It's as simple as that. Looking at the right instruments, understanding the way air masses interact with each other, and so on. It's not rocket science. And we've got a continuing anticyclone here over the Azores, which remain on my bucket list. All right, so here's the 250 hectopascal winds. This is nullschool.net, by the way. The 250 hectopascal winds, which are essentially the jet streams. It's a specific pressure band that shows us where the upper level winds are located. Anyway, a big kink right here. So you got a big 180-degree bend right there. That's creating an upper level low right in this area, certainly. And we've got a huge divergence here in the North Atlantic, making for some very cold temperatures in places like the Canary Islands, probably. Anyway, let's rotate the planet as the world turns. There are the jet streams of the east. Australia's got a doubled up jet stream. And we've got a divergence, convergence happening here over Southeast Asia, as you can see. Creating some upper level lows as well, like here. There's an upper level low. There's an upper level low. And let's continue on. Oh wait, surface winds. We didn't show the surface winds. Shout out to our surfers. And there is a low here to the east of the Philippines. All right, anyway, there are the pressure cells, since we're talking about lows, and you can see that anticyclone continuing to rotate in a clockwise fashion. It's Earth's great red spot, folks. This is a pretty interesting high pressure over here as well. You can see it's got multiple different high pressure ridges there. It looks like a tiger paw. Rawr. The Southeast Asia said rawr when it came to high pressure, probably clear skies over that portion of the planet, while Australia is dominated by low pressure. Some funky low pressure there around Oceania. Anyway, here's the European forecast for pressure at 12 noon. That's 12 noon Eastern time tomorrow. We've got an oddly shaped low here over part of Greenland. You have this elliptical shape to this low here. That is a little bit anomalous looking. It's sort of a double. And also a powerful low here to the west of Kamchatka. And let's move on. And let me just check the life of the stream here. We are streaming live. Just bear with me. And it looks fine. Let's blast through some more stuff. Here's your 72-hour GFS precipitation and pressure forecast. And you can see some additional snow here and rain forecasted for Pennsylvania, New England, and so on. Anyway, you can see the map, hopefully. Some heavy rains there as an atmospheric river sort of makes its way into British Columbia. 72-hour forecasts are pretty accurate. Again, that's the GFS 72-hour forecast for pressure and precipitation for the lower 48. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county's lit up, just click it, weather.gov. We don't have time to cover all of that, but there's some hard freeze warnings in the Florida Panhandle. So some anomalously cold temperatures showing up down there for sure. Here's your NASA Goes lightning mapper. No terrestrial lightning in the U.S. at the moment. Here's a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org. It's spectacular. And we just caught an errant bolt in south-central Africa here. Just one lightning bolt there. And we caught it in time to catch the propagation of the likely thunderclap. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. You may have already known. Let's continue on. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. If you're viewing on BitChute, make sure you view on YouTube. You're missing 90% of the content. Look for more exclusives coming to BitChute soon. We've been a little bit busy at smAsho.com trying to accomplish things like basic survival. So please help us out. Press like, press subscribe, pick up some merch. You can find links to the merch shop below the video. Respect existence or expect resistance. Universum Liberate. Forgive, remember, and hold accountable. Perhaps pick up a Fauci fraud bath mat if you'd like to put your feet on the face of evil after every shower. Pick up the Fauci fraud bath mat. We've even conveniently defined the term fraud, an intentional misrepresentation of material facts. The sale continues with promo code CYBER5, so make sure you enter that on checkout to save 20 to 60% off of everything. Today's featured product is Universum Liberate. You can probably figure out what it means. Join the Galactic Special Forces by telling your friends and foes about this. Are you sick of Earth? Are you over the planet and the solar system? Join the Galactic Special Forces and proclaim Universum Liberate with our beautifully designed products. Or perhaps become a member of the Smash Team if you'd like to support the channel that way. smashamash.com/Smash Team is a more than ample replacement for Patreon. It's vastly superior. smashamash.com/Smash Team. There's a teaser of what you may find there. And here is the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. Thanks to all of our paid subscribers over at smashamash.com/Smash Team. We will continue to provide more and more comprehensive stuff and use more and more multimedia. Believe me, the capabilities that we have on our own website make Patreon look laughable. And if you're a content creator and you'd like us to make you a website, drop us a line. We will consider it. It's one of our new lines of business, creating e-commerce sites, websites, whatever you need. We can build your domain if you like, so drop us a line. Anyway, there you can see that atmospheric river forming there, and it's quite a bit of moisture out there in the Pacific Ocean as it continues to make landfall there around British Columbia and Washington, creating some, shall we say, moist situations. And you can see snow falling in the northeast of the U.S. here, as well as some, it looks like rain mostly there in southern Alaska. Let's take a look at that real quick. There is your Alaskan Doppler radar. And here are the lower 48. There's also some precipitation around the Big Island. Some precipitation around Hawaii in general, including Oahu. All right, anyway, here are the lower 48. And it looks like we're going to get some snow here in Pennsylvania once again. I'm excited. Here's the shortwave radiation map, and you can see low clouds over the Atlantic once again. Bunch of low clouds here. And you can see cold air making its way around like places like Lake Michigan. Looking like some cold temperatures on Lake Michigan. Also a pressure gradient there, probably making for some high seas. You can see there's going to be a massive pressure gradient right there. And that's why the Great Lakes are so dangerous, because the inlets tend to get narrower. And when you have pressure gradients, you get huge waves produced in seconds as winds accelerate across the waters and so on. Anyway, here's your recap U.S. Doppler radar map. Shortwave radiation. It's too dark to see the clouds, so we use this, part of the NASA Goes Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. And there is the water vapor, the most definitive map you'll see probably. This shows water vapor that's not even condensed onto clouds. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully you're able to forecast your own weather. We certainly hope so. But in any case, I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Naming news.